This is Mark Perrigan with Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video on the 2008 Chevrolet Suburban. It's a 3LT. I'll give you a shot of the engine compartment. This has front fog lamps, front tow hooks. Tires are Toyo Open Countries in excellent condition. These are 18-inch wheels. Vehicle has side steps, roof rack and privacy glass, moonroof, it's got the side view mirrors with the turn signal indicator in the mirror, remote start, power windows and locks, 2-position driver memory, heated seats, power seats. This is the titanium, the premium titanium and ebony interior. It's leather. Rotary style transfer case. 88,200 miles are on this vehicle. Dual zone climate control, AM, FM, CD, and XM radio, as well as DVD, a rear DVD entertainment system. Auto dimming rear view mirror with OnStar. Universal remote, the HomeLink remote for your garage door opener. Second row features bucket seats. These are a flip and fold, a power second row. And I'll give you a shot of the third row here. The controls for the rear climate control and also the heated seats in the second row. Rear DVD entertainment system. This vehicle is also equipped with the Z71 off-road package. Power rear liftgate. The third row seats are removable, easily removable. Carpet is also in excellent condition. This does have the tow package and rear park assist sensors in the rear bumper. This is the tire condition on the right rear. wheel condition. Again, excellent shape. Rear wheel well liners. Power seat on the passenger side. Center console. Well, there you go. That's the 2008 Chevrolet Suburban 3LT in Summit White. My name is Mark Perigin. You can reach me at 1-800-866-2138 or visit us on the web at www.taylorandsonchevy.com.